PYQ based on chapter Thermodynamics that was asked in CET 2024. A Carnot engine works between a source and sink maintained at constant temperature T1 and T2 respectively. For efficiency to be greatest, option A, both T1 and T2 should be high. B, both T1 and T2 should be low. C, T1 should be low and T2 should be high. And D, T1 should be high and T2 should be low. आता efficiencyचा फॉर्म्युला असतो W by Q, that is nothing but 1 minus T2 by T1, that is equal to T1 minus T2 by T1. मग efficiency ही T1 minus T2 च्या डिफरन्सच्या डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये बदलते. मग हा डिफरन्स जेव्हा जास्त येणार आहे तेव्हा efficiency ग्रेटर येणार आहे. मग हा डिफरन्स जर जास्त यायचा असेल तर T1 हा हाय असला पाहिजे आणि T2 काय असला पाहिजे, लो. आणि म्हणून करेक्ट ऑप्शन डी, T1 should be high and T2 should be low. For more useful tips and tricks, keep watching Wings of Physics. Thank you very much.